we can convert these challenges
into opportunities.
How? The next point is very, very important. Positive and negative aspects of social media. Benefits. I'm sure you're already familiar with number of benefits this social media has. I'm sure you understood with clarity what these 7 types of social media are. 5th type, discussion forums. Platforms where users discuss topics and share knowledge. Discuss topics and share knowledge. Challenges, very, very important. Challenges. Social media, what does it mean? Before we talk about its benefits, advantages, disadvantages, if any, or genuine challenges, let's try to understand the concept of social media. Social media refers to online platforms and websites. Online platforms and websites that allow users to create, share, and interact with content. With content, as well as communicate with others. These platforms enable people to connect, exchange information, and engage in discussions in real time. I'm sure you understood the actual meaning of social media. Let's talk about types of social media platforms with examples. First type, social networking sites. These platforms allow users to connect and build relationships. Examples: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or currently it's known as X. Twitter, which is currently known as X. Second type, photo and video sharing platforms. Users share visual content like photos and videos. Examples: Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube. Third type, microblogging platforms. Short posts, quick updates, and news sharing platforms. Examples: Twitter or X, Tumblr. Tumblr. Fourth type, messaging apps. Instant communication via text, voice, or video. Examples: WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram. Fifth type, discussion forums. Platforms where users discuss topics and share knowledge. Discuss topics and share knowledge. Examples: Reddit, Quora. Sixth type, live streaming and gaming platforms. Users stream live content including gaming. Examples:
Twitch,
YouTube Live, Facebook Live. Seventh type, professional networking platforms used for career building and business connections. Examples: LinkedIn. I'm sure you understood
all 7
types of social media. I'm sure you understood with clarity what these 7 types of social media are. How social media is used in our daily life. Very, very important point. First, personal use. Staying in touch with friends and family, sharing life updates and entertainment. Second, business and marketing, promoting brands, advertising, and reaching global audiences. Third, education, online learning communities, educational content and tutorials. Fourth, news and awareness, instant news updates, trending topics, and social awareness campaigns. Fifth, entertainment, watching videos, playing games, and live streaming events. The next point is very, very important. Positive and negative aspects of social media. Benefits. I'm sure you're already familiar with number of benefits this social media has. First, global connectivity. Second, information and knowledge sharing. Third, business growth and marketing. Fourth, career opportunities. Challenges, very, very important. Challenges. Some of the challenges are: first, privacy concerns. Second, misinformation and fake news. Third, cyberbullying and online harassment. Fourth, screen addiction. Let's move forward. The point my today's whole session is about. Please, I need your feedback. Ponder over it now. The point I'm going to share with you. Can we convert these challenges
into opportunities?
Yeah. Can we convert these challenges
into opportunities?
Yes, we can. Don't you believe? I'm sure you're also of the point of view that we can convert these challenges
into opportunities.
How? Keep thinking. I'll meet you with the same point very soon, inshallah.
ਤੁਰ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਨੀ ਵਤਨ ਚੁੱਕ ਮੁਹਾਰਾ ਉਜੜੀ ਬਸਤੀ ਯਾਰੋ ਨਜ਼ਰੀ ਆਵੇ ਕੰਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਦ ਯਾਰਾਂ